What if I told you there's a type of glass that can heal itself? No glue, no heat, no tools, just science. Break it, scratch it, shatter it, and hours later it looks like nothing ever happened. Sounds like something out of a Marvel movie, right? But this is real, and it could completely change the way we think about damage, durability, and even design itself. Picture this. You drop your phone. Again, that dreaded crack creeps across the screen like a spider web. But instead of heading to the repair shop or swearing off smartphones forever, you just wait. A few hours. The crack fades, the surface smooths, your screen is whole again. Magic? Nope. Just some very clever chemistry. Scientists in Japan have developed a special type of polymer called polyether thioureas that behaves like glass but has one unbelievable ability. It heals itself at room temperature. That's right, no oven, no pressure, just time. When the material is damaged, the molecular bonds at the break sites reconnect, like two pieces of Velcro snapping back together, except on a microscopic, atomic level. It's not about being tougher than traditional glass, it's about being smarter. Instead of resisting damage, this new material responds to it. It doesn't just survive an impact, it undoes it. We're talking about self-repairing windows, self-repairing phone screens, even aircraft components that can recover mid-flight. But the possibilities go way beyond your smartphone. Imagine a car windshield that heals overnight after being chipped by gravel, or an astronaut's helmet that seals itself after a micrometeorite strike, or buildings that recover from minor structural cracks after an earthquake, without anyone lifting a finger. It's not just fixing, it's regeneration. And it's real. Some self-healing materials even react to light or electricity, allowing scientists to trigger the healing process on command. Imagine cracked sunglasses that repair themselves in sunlight, or a drone wing that heals in midair when it senses vibration damage. These aren't wild guesses. Prototypes already exist, and major companies, yes, including the giants like Samsung and Apple, are quietly watching this technology very closely. Of course, the science isn't perfect yet. These materials aren't as tough as traditional glass, for now. Researchers are still working on increasing strength and transparency. Mass production is still tricky, and healing takes time. It's not instant. But even with these limits, the trend is clear. The age of passive materials is ending. The age of intelligent materials is just beginning. In the future, we might live in a world where wear and tear isn't a death sentence for objects, where your phone, your car, even your house can fix themselves like living organisms. A world where damage isn't the end. It's just the start of healing. So the next time your phone slips from your hand and crashes to the ground, don't panic. One day, instead of breaking your screen, you might just be giving it something to do.